Welcome. In front of me I have a Harman Kardon speaker, and this one is the Onyx Studio 7. I'll go over unboxing of it and a quick look and a listen of it. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. There we go. Yeah. So it looks like there's nothing else in that box. We have our speaker right here. Okay, so this would be the front. That's kind of how it looks like. It does have obviously a very neat design. Now the actual little loop right here, a hula hoop that goes around it, doesn't move at all. And obviously it just kind of supports the speaker in this upright position. Now, let's see, does it... presume this is a wireless one, but I could be wrong. Let's see. Yep, so you can see there's a light. Ooh, that actually had some decent oomph to it. Let's quickly grab my phone and connect to it. Hopefully I don't need any app, and I don't. It shows up right away on here in the list. It automatically goes into the pairing mode, so that's also pretty nice. Okay, so it's connected. Let's play some music. Okay, yeah, it actually sounds pretty decent. So there we go, that's the Harman Kardon. Now, taking a look at the actual build and aesthetics of it, we have mesh all around the actual speaker itself. I don't know how I want to describe it, a pill or whatever. It's, by the looks of it, almost circular. We have the Bluetooth button, we have volume down, volume up, power, and play and pause, I presume, right? Yep, so play and pause right here. No, it's just a triangle imagery. And at the back, we have a couple ports. So we have an auxiliary, which you can see right here's the first one from the left. Then we got the power next to it and a Type-C. So the Type-C is a service port. And in here, which I didn't go, oh, there we go, you can see on the other side, we do have our charging cable, which we should be able to get to it somehow, if I can figure out how. Yes, probably like this. Yep, there we go. So there is part of the cable. Yeah, man. And there's the rest of the brick. Now I do want to point out one thing. The plastic on this seems like the cheapest crap that they could have possibly used. It's kind of glossy with this weird finish. Hopefully you can kind of see it. It looks like some AliExpress plastic basically. So just wanted to point that out, considering it's Harman Kardon, so it's not necessarily the cheapest thing that I can get. The charging brick right here, though branded, this feels a little bit lesser in quality compared to the actual relatively nice finished speaker itself. But if you don't really care for that, for the rest of the packaging, like the charger, the speaker itself seems to be just made really nice quality, decent materials, and it feels solid, which obviously probably will be the thing that you care the most for. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.